production. We are bicycle fix. You know, I know there's some youth men who watching the channel and they have bike and they watch all the comment and say ways where that kind of thing. But we really start off with bike. Bicycle, I never ride skateboard before. I never had skateboard before. I can't rollerblade either. But we had a bicycle. I mean, you used to thief rides. You used to thief rides. I want to go again. We have our ramp here. It's real random, man. CJ from Confidential Garage. You know, fix the artist. I will share a little snippet of the artist. When you saw it in one of the drift videos, he got on jump the ramp. Pace, eh? You have a little heaviness. You have a little heaviness. But everybody could relate. A bunch of us started off with bicycle. The older you get is the weaker your knees get, but that's how it is.
Cameraman, show him how to do it. You worried though?
Hey, we start with bike. So
you don't trust me?
I trust you. I just try to talk to people, but don't lose your roots, right? You might still have a bike, yeah, you have a car, but this is how we start off.
Roots and chalice.
Yeah, this is how we start off. My knee's not good.
From the mango tree.
Better work still, yes? Confidential garage works. Just do some little maintenance on the Altezza. Engine work and so forth. They would have seen it in one of the videos driven by a lady. So you know how they say long time lady driven means that the car in real pristine condition. She just hammered it out. So the car is being properly utilized. So what are you doing, my boy? So today is a bag of randomness. I'm going to pick up the BM racetrack and then head to St. James to do a little thing. So you can see, yeah, so I'm going up the road. Come on, organize your stuff. You know, it's be here right through because tires is done real quick, to be honest with you. But even though you miss the sale, the prices are still very affordable to the regular consumer. You know, if it is you want to organize tires for your vehicle, if it is you're not from Trinidad, you know they go organize to ship your items too as well. So get them a check the Facebook, check the Instagram, they're online. So check through now. Come for the buying thing, come for the sale, let's come to that represent.
Both. I come from, well, a lot of people have been inquiring and asking me, hey, what racetrack are boy, what racetrack are? So with that now, I decided, okay, I'm going to visit racetrack and actually I work part-time at racetrack, so it's just like, yeah, virtual salesman. I wonder if I need to pay me.
So we're here at racetrack. If it is it then, they haven't sale tomorrow?
They open tomorrow until lunchtime.
Alright, so by the time this video load, hopefully you have a next day that you could come and take advantage of the sale in racetrack. So they're racking up now. I'll show the time. Just gauge between 2 and 4 now. Try to be here before those times. Please, thank you.
And I get inner ends. So what them thing I change?
You're gonna change the outer line,
yeah.
The one that's giving my breakdown. Stuff you go down go for the car. You're gonna race the car?
Of course, I stick on the going in by Roger.
I'm not gonna say I feel like the back of the drop a little bit.
No, it's so low that I can't go in yard. Any yard.
The plan for that is I really want to change the exhaust and you know the oval exhaust.
I do it on the other day, and the car started hitting the ground. I was break on the lip just now.
You serious?
Yeah. Why did you park up outside?
Shit. I would also want to pass. I don't pass the check order.
Yeah, well, no.
Yeah? Later. So, I'll go in and Port of Spain to see what he's seeing, and you catch up from there, yeah? We have some Evos here, so you know people when they see cars they get excited. I bring the BM just to kind of participate in the video footage. There's nothing out of the way, you know. We have police on standby, just kind of making sure when this is ready to do the shoot, we would lock down the area. And I mean, here's the place where you have to get all your arms out for bike, for car, for boat, for gear, for diff, gear oil, transmission oil, all this stuff. I have Brandon here supervising the scene. You know, he's the driver extraordinaire, so he's making sure all the stunts in place. I think they're waiting for me. No, we're waiting for the green Evo in the background to move, and then police would lock down the area, and we would do a little shimmy. To be real honest with you, the clutches in the diff, it's slipping. So I don't know how much I'll be able to do, but I'll do as much. Like, I already have a plan for a backup, so I ain't really too much worried about this. So yeah. So that's what we're doing so far. It's a random Saturday. So then we'll come and give my boy Jason a little support. He's a man, he does really help out once it is, you know, we need a little something in hand, especially he gave me a big help out with the BM, and especially with the bike too, because it needed some servicing. He's like, hey, don't worry, I'm gonna organize you, pass your oil, and we go talk later. Car back, so we in St. James on Bournes Road. I rode bad with, very, very bad with Port of Spain and the streets, but I know where to go, but I just be bad with it. Yeah. Huh?